Today I'll be doing an unboxing of the GoPro Mezcal glasses. I think I'm saying that right, I'm not too sure. I believe I am. So GoPro basically has three different types of sunglasses that are polarized, and these actually float in water, and they come with three different lenses for different purposes, and I'll get to that as soon as we open it up and take a look at the sunglasses themselves. As you can see, it's still in the wrapping and all that, so let's get straight into it. Break open the seal here. So we got literature, basically how to keep them protected and whatnot. And I think there was one more in here. Yep. So these are the different type of shades of lenses that they got. The yellow ones are called amber with bronze mirror finish. And it says that they enhance detail colors in the water. The blue one is called light amber with blue mirror finish, and it's supposed to help with lower light conditions. And the last one is just called gray, and it's supposed to accurately correct the color and reduce glare and bright conditions while driving and winter. And here's how to remove the lenses, and I'll show you how to do that after we open them up. So here is the sunglass case, and right off the bat you can see like the finish. It's almost like their backpacks, and I believe one of the carrying cases as well, so it's kind of cool that GoPro still stuck to their usual design. I actually kind of like the way the material is. It's very slick. So here's a cleaning cloth with the actual GoPro logo. I don't know if y'all can see that. The sunglasses and the three lenses. Or two lenses, I mean. Sorry about that. So that's all you get inside. As you can see, there's two slots for the other lenses, so that way you don't have to be worrying about leaving them at home or just shoving them in there and worrying about them getting scratched. They just come with their own little slots, which is pretty cool. So yeah, so these GoPro, like I said, they have like two other type of sunglasses like this, and these are obviously square shaped, and then there's another pair that's almost like these as well, and they got some other ones that are round. And I was thinking about either going with these or like the round ones. I don't know offhand what both of them are called, but I'll leave links in the description for those two. But I decided to go with these because I always stick with my usual sunglasses, which are like the round ones with the bridge in the middle. And I felt like going with something different here. So these I think are actually going to help me a lot because I always go fishing and boating. So having it help navigate through the waters and all that is kind of difficult to see which part is shallow and which part is deep enough for us to pass through. So yeah, hopefully these sunglasses will benefit me a lot. And so yeah, let me show you how to take out the lenses. So like it says on the instructions, you just basically get your fingers and push it through. I'm actually going to use the cloth because I don't want to get any fingerprints on the lenses. Oops. Well, that's how you take it out. So So there's one lens. And there's the other. So you basically just use your fingers and you just push it through, and now you just got the actual frames themselves. There. Oops. It takes a little bit of work to put it in, so yeah, you just gotta push it in, and the way I did it to take them out, I just pressed it at the corner, and then it popped right out. So let's do the other one now. And there you go. I gotta say, for $100, it's worth it. You know, there's nothing really much to it other than I think you're mostly paying for the lenses, because of what they're meant to do, which is like help with the color grading as far as how you can see things. But there's nothing else really for me to show off here. Sorry it wasn't a long video, but that's all there is for this unboxing. So yeah, this is pretty much all you get with this for the Mezcal sunglasses, and I believe also with the other 3 glasses as well. So thank you for watching, and subscribe for more.